In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best MIDI keyboard controllers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best MIDI keyboard controllers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best MIDI Keyboard Controllers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Kostson BX2 Portable Keyboard. If you are searching for a portable keyboard, the Kostson BX2 Portable Keyboard review on our list is ideal for you. You can connect the headphone with keyboard when you don't want to disturb others. 88 keys satisfy different people from starter to intermediate level use to keep practicing. Microphone port makes it possible to show your musical talent and beautiful voice. Wireless Bluetooth technology. The pads on the bottom increase friction between the keyboard and table while protecting it from scratching. Number 4. Vangoa World Panda Mini Keyboard. The next product we have got on our list is the Vangoa World Panda Mini Keyboard. 8 RGB backlit pads with high-quality velocity and pressure-sensitive performance and can be assigned easily as pads, MIDI CC buttons or program change switches. 7 different colors available. Hold CC mode and octave down or octave up to select the backlit RGB color of 8 pads. The pads can display 7 colors at the same time, once can only show one color. Number 3. MIDI Plus 32-key MIDI Keyboard. If you're looking for a MIDI Plus 32-key MIDI keyboard with MIDI keyboard, AKM 322 is made up of 32 velocity-sensitive keys, 1 endless encoder, 3 rotary knobs and 11 function buttons with LED backlit. The internal arpeggiator can build sequences with flexible possibilities. The chord mode can punch out different combinations of keys. The scale mode helps you hit the right key every time by playing the correct tones matched to the chosen scale. Number 2. Presonus Atom SQ MIDI Keyboard. More than 700 5-star reviews praise the Presonus Atom SQ MIDI keyboard for its portability. A complete music production package featuring a hybrid MIDI keyboard. 32 velocity and pressure sensitive RGB LED pads in a unique, staggered layout, intuitive for keyboard players and step sequencer fans. Context-sensitive screen displays valuable parameter information, including CC assignments, swing, and much more. 8 endless rotary encoders can be easily configured to control nearly any software parameter. Number 1. M-Audio Oxygen Pro 49 MIDI Keyboard. The M-Audio Oxygen Pro 49 MIDI keyboard are the best MIDI keyboard controllers you can buy this year. .49 velocity sensitive, semi-weighted keys with aftertouch and assignable zones for playing virtual sampler instruments and virtual synthesizer plugins. 16 RGB backlit MIDI assignable velocity sensitive drum pads with note repeat for beat production, clip launching, soundboard triggering and more. Total command of your music production. Next gen playability. Seamless DAW control with auto mapping.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.